Hello guys, today in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best cameras under $1,000 in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I try to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review, and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below. Number 3. Canon EOS R50 Mirrorless Vlogging Camera Black with /RFS 1845mm f4.5 to 6.3 is STM lens, 24.2 MP, 4K video, subject detection and tracking, compact, smartphone connection, content creator. For those just getting started in photography, the Canon EOS R50 is one of the best beginner cameras and one of the best value options at this price point. With a portable design, simple controls, and Canon's incredibly intuitive menu system, it's super accessible for people jumping to their first proper camera from a smartphone. Its extensive auto and creative shooting modes make trying different photography styles easy while you learn the ropes, and image quality is great for its class. If you want to save even more money, dipping into the used market and looking for older DSLRs like the Nikon D3500 can be a great way to save money. DSLRs also have more established lens lineups, giving you more options to choose from as your skills grow. Number 2. Canon EOS Rebel T8i EFS 1855mm is STM Lens Kit, Black. A lightweight and easy-to-use DSLR camera that makes the perfect addition for first-time users, or for those looking for an affordable upgrade. Equipped with a 24.1 megapixel CMOS, APS-C sensor, DIGSC8 image processor, and an ISO range of 100 to 25,600 expandable, 251,200 asterisk. The EOS Rebel T8i is our most advanced EOS Rebel yet, delivering high-quality performance that kicks your photos and videos up a notch. Whether you're capturing photos of friends or family or snapping fast-moving subjects like pets or athletes, you'll accurately and quickly remain locked on your subject with the camera's 45-point all-cross-type AF system ***, face and eye detection AF and high-speed, continuous shooting of up to 7 frames per second. For vloggers or social media users, the EOS Rebel T8i. Number 1. Sony Alpha ZV-E10 APS-C Interchangeable Lens Mirrorless Vlog Camera Kit, Black. The Alpha ZV-E10 is a large APS-C sensor mirrorless ILC camera built for vlogging, featuring high-quality imagery. The E-mount interchangeable lens system offers a wide selection to suit your creative style, while the flip-out vari-angle LCD, advanced audio options, and other features designed specifically for vlogging make this the ideal camera for content creators. If you're looking for a vlogging camera that comes in under $1,000, the Sony ZV-E10 is the best option on the market. With no viewfinder, a fully articulated screen, and a built-in vlogging microphone, it's designed specifically for vlogging. On top of that, it's nice and portable, and its APS-C sensor captures high-quality photos and 4K video at up to 30 apps. It also comes with neat vlog-oriented features like a product showcase mode that prioritizes the focus on objects held up in the frame.